Lily and Rose, and you're watching
My Green Mama!
And today we'll be making DIY butter slime. All you'll need is a cup of borax,
I want to show.
water, clay, a spatula, a tablespoon, and some school glue. Oh, I forgot. Shaving cream and soap. Okay, so this is how you'll do it. So you'll open up your school glue and you'll pour the whole thing inside your bowl. Do.
Some water.
Okay, that's good.
She'll help her get it all out.
Mom, okay, now I'm going to mix it up.
Squeeze from the bottom. No, she's got to get it all out. Squeeze from the bottom. Not yet, sweetie. Hold on.
Okay.
Now I can mix it up?
Keep going. Squeeze it all out. She's got to squeeze it to the very end. And then I got to add hot water to it. Okay? Good job.
Okay.
Now should I mix it up? Mama?
After you put after you put the glue in, you'll take.
I want to do it!
Okay, now
1, 2,
Lily is
3,
squirting 8 to
4,
9 squirts
5,
of foam hand
6,
soap into the glue.
7, 8, 9.
Okay, that's good. Stir this until it gets fluffy. I forgot this part in the beginning, but I'm going to take Johnson's Baby Bedtime Lotion in the scent of lavender and pour about 4 squirts into the mixture. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Now I stir. No, I'm stirring.
Now you'll stir this
No,
for a while.
I have to stir it.
Now you will stir this for a while. Rose will. Rose is going to stir this now for a while until it starts to become fluffy again.
So now I'm gonna put some shaving cream inside the bowl, and you don't want it to be too fluffy, but fluffy enough.
Okay, so you have to hold the can away. Yep, like that kind of. Get it in the bowl though. Yep, see?
And
I'm gonna have to
just
stir, Rose.
I think that's good so far.
Yeah.
And now stir that
Okay, can I stir
in it until it's
I'm
fluffy, kind of
Rose.
like a whip.
yeah.
Now I stir. I am stirring, Rose.
Okay, it's Rose's turn to stir. Yep.
What should I do?
Well, Celia gets you a cloth quick for your hand. Go ahead and stir that up a little more, and then we'll do the next step.
Next, you will heat up some water and take 2 tablespoons of borax as your activator and put it inside your bowl.
Where are you going?
Just like snow.
Top it off, yep.
Just like snow.
Then, with parent supervision, you can pour in our activator, the borax and water, slowly, bit by bit, and Lily will be stirring this.
A little bit at a time.
Keep stirring.
Another small drop, and then we'll stir it for a while. No, keep going. A little bit. A little bit. That's good. Now stop. Let's see what that does.
So far you can see that the slime is getting fluffier and it's sort of sticking to the spatula more.
All right, let's give Rose a turn to stir for a little bit.
It's getting really sticky, Rosie. Are you sure you want to stir that? Yep, you're right, Lily.
Don't add more borax
do not add it.
yet because it might not, you still
want it
need
too
to mix it. You don't want it too thick. Remember, this is supposed to be butter slime. It's not just like the really thick slime.
Keep stirring. Let's have Celia do a stir, a nice.
I just got the glue.
You can always
How
go to
does
the
it
sink and
feel?
wash it off if you want.
So as you can see, it's all bunching up and it's sort of coming off the sides of the bowl.
Please don't do that to Sissy. That's bad. That's borax you sprinkled into her hair. Great. Now I'm going to have to wash her hair again. You never put a chemical. Lily, you never put a chemical on someone else. We told you the borax was dangerous and only with a parent's supervision. Why would you sprinkle it on your sister's head? You're okay,
You can
Rose.
see that the activator is working.
Yes, keep stirring for a while and we'll check in a minute.
So we decided that our slime got a little too sticky, so we added a little bit of baby powder to each part of the slime, and it actually
Bless you.
started to get less sticky, as you can see, as we knead it down. Next, we will be adding a little bit of our blue model clay to get that color. And make sure you're still
Actually, we picked blue. It's
kneading
not
it
the
in.
color of butter, but it's a cool color. Hopefully it will work.
It's not working.
My girls have bronchitis, but they're on antibiotics, so which I need to get both of you. Do you see blue yet? You gotta stretch it and tear it apart. I might need to get more.
As you can see, the blue is mixing in a little bit, so just keep kneading it like you were like when you were mixing it.
And we'll come
And-
back.
Yeah. Well, we accidentally added a little too much activator, so now I guess it turned into Nickelodeon slime. Yeah.
This is one of our epic fails, but we have made good slime before. I don't know where it went wrong.
At
I
least
think
it's
adding the
blue.
Model Magic went wrong.
At least it's blue.
I think the Model Magic was too old. Alright everyone, thanks for watching Migraine Mama. Which, by the way, I had a migraine all day today because I have a cold and a sinus infection because my girls got my husband and I sick.
Yeah.
Please subscribe if you're interested in family videos or videos about migraines.
Instead, this
And
is
I
more
hope you
chunky
enjoyed this
than
one. Give it a thumbs up if you did.
Like
Or
and
comment-
subscribe, people.
Yeah, or make a comment telling us how we can make our slime better because this is awful. Our butter
The
slime.
My Gang.
We're gonna have to start over.
Say
Oh.
goodbye, everyone.
Bye bye, My Gang.
We're gonna have to
What?
start over.
Get it? Instead of migraine, it's My Gang.
Okay, that's interesting. My gained.
Gang.
Gang.
You have
You're
to have
crazy.
a name for your channel.
I do. It's Migraine Mama.
I mean, you have to have a name for your people.
Your fans, you mean?
Yeah.
I don't know what the
I'll
people
name
I've
my
never thought
fans
about.
Turbine
Not
fans.
fans, but people that follow you. I
Not
only have
dinosaur
like 49
fans.
people that follow me. And it's about migraines mostly. Alright guys, see you later. We're out of
Bye-bye.
here.
Daddy!